Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a bunch of new makeup. There's just so much stuff. I don't think I'm gonna use everything, but I got new eyeshadow palettes. They're like little minis. So these are the shades. I got new highlighters, I got new powders, I got concealers, new brow pencils. I did get my new set of Ember lashes that they sent me. These are the ones that I got this month. They are so freaking nice. Not new, but I've had it for a while and I never really used it, so I'm gonna go ahead and use it today. And then I got new blushes, new shadows, new lipsticks, and all that stuff. And I also got this new set of brushes that I got. I'm gonna be trying these out today as well. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get started. By the way, if you hear pounding, like, that is my neighbors. Anyway, so I am just going to start with concealer. I'm going to go ahead and use this new 2-in-1 foundation and concealer by Amuse Cosmetics. I'm going to go ahead and take the shade Light, and I'm going to conceal my lid, which is not something different that I do. I always conceal my lids with concealer. I did get this Wonder Blender microfiber. It comes in a little pack like this. This was $1.55. Part of the proceeds go to protecting animals against abuse. I'm just gonna blend my concealer. So I'm going to be using one of these eyeshadow palettes, or maybe I'm going to be using both of them. It was like $10 for these brushes and the little holder that it comes in. So I'm going to start with this one right here at the top, and I'm going to use this brush right here, and I'm just going to pack it before I start blending. Nice shadow. Take another brush. I'm going to take this big fluffy brush and I'm just going to blend this out. So I'm going to go ahead and take this shade next right here. Dang, that's very pigmented. And I'm just going to pack it as well, and I'm going to put it on that crease. I was looking at these palettes and they don't have a dark brown. I feel like I need a dark brown, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this Wet n Wild palette. This is the Not a Basic Peach. So I'm gonna take this dark brown shadow right here. I am going to be placing that on my outer corner, kind of flicking it out into the wing. Ooh, that looks nice. So now that I have like this going on, I'm gonna go ahead and take this palette right here. By the way, this palette is so effed up. I've dropped it so many times. Like, as you can see, like these are gone. These are pressed glitters. Go ahead and take this yellowy color. I don't know why I want yellow in the inner corner. I just do. So I'm gonna take a brush. I'm gonna go ahead and use this one right here. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, it's making a huge mess. Should have used a freaking glitter primer and I didn't. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this AOA liner. This is in the shade Black. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a half wing. I'm not gonna bring it all the way to that inner corner, and I'm gonna stop about here. I'm gonna go ahead and apply some falsies, and I got these. These are in the style Queen. These are from Ember lashes. So I'm gonna go ahead and use Queen today because they just look so nice. I'm gonna go ahead and do this off camera because I don't want the video to be super long. So I'm gonna go ahead and do these off camera and I will be right back. So I'm gonna apply some primer now because I'm gonna move on to the face. And I'm gonna apply the e.l.f. putty primer with this crown brush. And I already put some, but I didn't put none on my nose because my camera died. So I'm just gonna be putting this or stippling this all over the face. I'm gonna go ahead and use the Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation, and I'm gonna go ahead and use this. It is gonna be a little bit light. Ooh, a lot light. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix this Maybelline 24-Hour Super Safe Foundation. Yeah, that's better. And I know that they both mesh well together. We have very full coverage. So next I'm just gonna apply some concealer, and I'm still gonna go ahead and use the Amuse Cosmetics 2-in-1 Foundation Concealer. I'm still gonna use the shade Light. So far this concealer is so much better than that AOA Studio whatever it was called. Go ahead and blend this out with the same beauty sponge. Please don't let me down. I just said great things about you. So far, so good. I go ahead and set my under eye. I'm gonna go ahead and use the Kat Von D Lock-It setting powder. This is in the translucent shade. I'm gonna go ahead and set the face with one of these two. I got the shade Almond, which I already have. I don't know why I bought another one. I freaking have one of these. I'm gonna go ahead and use this one. This is in the shade Nude number 55. Very powdery. Okay, yes, this is the shade. And it does have a lot of fallout, just so you guys know. I'm gonna go ahead and use a bronzer now. I'm gonna go ahead and use my Marc Jacobs Omega bronzer, and I am just gonna contour a bit. So I'm gonna wipe this bake away. Oh, okay. I found a keeper. But for being $1, like, you probably wouldn't even be able to tell you it was $1 just by looking at me. So I'm gonna go ahead and use a blush. I got two blushes that I liked. So I got this little quad. It looks just so nice. These two are like, I also have this one, as you guys saw. I don't know if I'm gonna use these because these are very pink. Like, so I'm gonna take these two shades right here. Okay, that is pretty. Well, these are nice. I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows now because I can't believe I forgot about them. Like, these have blown my pomade out of the water. So good. Recommend this, you guys, if you guys want to try them out. Again, they're $1. I do get the shade Ebony. Before my camera dies, I'm gonna go ahead and use this highlighter, the one that I was talking about. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this brush right here. Oh bitch, oh bitch. Oh yeah, you can see my little blackheads that I have, but oh my gosh, look at that freaking highlight. No bitch, I over applied. Like, I need to like hurry up. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my lips now, but before I do, I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face. This is a Zuri Flawless Makeup Setting Spray. I literally have to get another one because I use this every single day, like every single day. By the way, I ordered like 5 more bottles of these just to have like in my back stock because I do like freelance and, you know, you know. For lips, I'm gonna go ahead and use one of these. So I've purchased these before. These are not new. They didn't have anything new that stood out to me. This is an AOA Studio lipstick. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the shade Bougie. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and use this Bare Minerals gloss. This is in the shade Trailblazer. Yeah. Oh my god, you guys, my camera's about to die. So this is the completed look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I would have made it much more longer if my camera wasn't about to die, but this is the look that I came up with. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed, hit the notification bell so you guys get notified whenever I post a video. Everything will be listed down in the description box, you guys, so don't forget to check that out. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one.